Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add or link your bank account to your Binance account. The same would be on your Binance application. You would just need to go to your settings. So if you are on Binance application, you want to go on settings right there at the top, and you want to scroll down until you see payment methods right there. And there would be cash payment methods and P2P settings. But on Binance itself here, you want to go ahead and you can click on your account, or you can just go ahead and click it right there. After that, you will see here payment. So you want to click on it. And from here, you will add a payment method. This is for P2P payment method. So you just click add payment method and you will have all of these banks as an option. So you just scroll down until you see, for example, now you're gonna enter the account number, click confirm, and add your account to your Binance. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.